Hello everyone. Today we'll be talking about something new, and today's our topic is live worksheets. So it's the time when we are all online and all struggling with giving the worksheets, and then once the worksheet is solved, how to correct them. So we have a solution for that. So this is an interesting site which I came across. So let's see what exactly it is. What we need to do for this is you need to just type in the browser live worksheet, and the first option which comes is liveworksheets.com. So let's go to this and let's see what exactly it is. uh, First of all, yes, we can log in also, but we can use this website without logging also, because then you will be able to give it to the student without worrying about they being logged in for the website. So let's see how it works. So this is the site, which is liveworksheets.com, and whichever topic, the worksheet which you want, you can just pick it up. So you can see multiple teachers from across the world, they have made the worksheet. And now if you want to find out worksheet for your topic, what you need to do is you need to just type something. So what I'll do is I'll type, let's say, the concept of resultant force. So let's see if I get any worksheet on this, and you need to just click on search, and you can see all the worksheets which are available on this topic are available. So you can just pick any of the worksheet and you can work on it. So let's say I pick this worksheet, and what we need to do is you can just share the link with the student. So let's say you have just copied it and you will just share the link with the student, and this is how it will look to the student also. So the moment it goes to student have to just enter their name. So I'll just type my name here, Mahesh, uh, the date, which could be, let's say 28/7/21, and let's see how it works. So it says, it also gives us a small detail about the concept, and based on the worksheet which has been made by a particular teacher. You can see this is the worksheet which is made by one of the teacher in one of the country, right? So we can also put our own contents. This is a resultant force. You can see force in one direction is -10, in the other direction it is 60 Newton. So I can just write the final answer, which comes out to be resultant force is addition of forces. So -10 plus 60 comes out to be 50. So what we'll do, we'll just keep on doing this, and here it will come up to 0. And usually we say student that they have to put unit. So let's see what happen if now it depends on the teacher who has made it. So if the teacher wants the unit in the answer, then we can put the unit. If the teacher doesn't want it, we can put that also. So let's see, in this case, I'll also put unit. Answer is 10 Newton. And let's see this also. I'll also put a wrong answer. So 70, I'll make it as plus 50, it becomes 120. Let's see what happened when we will solve it. So I'm just solving the worksheet, and this is just 3 minutes work, you can see. And in 3 minutes, students will be able to solve the worksheet after obviously you've completed the concept. And you can see I'm just adding the answers, and we will also see how interestingly it will help the student. So for teachers, you need to just pick any worksheet from the already available worksheet. You can also log in here from the teacher access, and you can also create your own worksheet. You can see there are option of making your own interactive worksheet, which you can your own worksheet, you can put it here and you can make it available for all the other teachers, and you can also have it. You can also download this here, and let's see when the student clicks on finish, what comes up on the screen. So you can see the moment it has been clicked, the students will get two options. What do you want to do? Check my answers and email my answer to my teacher. And if they click on email, they will have to just type their name, level, group, subject, and teacher's email ID, and the email will be coming to you. Otherwise, they can just quickly do the checking also, and you can see the results are already there. You can see two answers are wrong, and which are the two answers you can see here. The answer which are wrong available, you could see there is the different color will be available. So if you could see here, it was 50 minus 40 Newton, and here answer we have written is 10 Newton. The teacher who has made the paper has not given the option of writing Newton, so this become a wrong answer here. And here you could see we have added, whereas it should have been subtracted, and you can see rest all are correct, and these two answers are wrong. And That's why the total score is also available. So this way you can pick any topic. Let's pick another topic, Newton's law. And let's see if we have worksheet or not on the same thing. So you can see there are multiple topics and multiple topics, multiple worksheets available. And I guess you should try it out. And I guess this is very interesting. You don't have to worry about correction also, and you don't have to worry about creating your own worksheet also. You can pick it up from the internet and you can utilize it. Quick worksheet, and you can use it live and very effectively after your concept is done. So this was the topic for our today's discussion, and the topic was liveworksheets.com. So do try it out and do put your comments in the chat box if you feel this was interesting, and we could come up with many more such website and we can discuss. Thank you and have a great time. Bye bye.